Amber Heard thinks she's helping women with what she's doing. She released a statement saying that this is a setback for them and for the MeToo movement. With this, it looks like the actress is about to appeal to the court. But with what money? The actress calls herself a public figure representing domestic abuse just because she released articles about her alleged abuse, which, mind you, still wasn't proven if it was true or not that time. In reality, those who are genuine victims of abuse and those part of the MeToo movement are kicking her out. She published an op-ed at the exact moment the MeToo movement became trending online. The movement started years ago, but it was seen on Twitter because Harvey Weinstein was brought to account for years of abuse against women. Surprisingly, it's also the same time her movie Aquaman was set to premiere. So some think she just did this for all the PR. Amber forces herself into the movement. But she also admitted to abusing Johnny physically and verbally. The popular actor reportedly supports the movement but thinks it's only for true survivors of abuse. One of the activists of the MeToo movement even announced their huge support to Johnny Depp in the defamation trial. Catherine Kendall claims that the movement was totally misused during the defamation trial. The Sun even harassed and misquoted her about Johnny. "We knew something was fishy during the UK trial." Ms. Kendall wasn't shy of telling the truth, much like the jury who decided that Amber Heard wasn't innocent. Legal analyst Rich Skonstein was interviewed by the Law and Crime Network about Amber's involvement with the MeToo movement. He's clearly angry with the statement she released.
Infuriates me. If Amber Heard and her lawyers are concerned about the Me Too movement,
he disagrees with Amber's statement of saying that the Me Too movement got a setback. Amber Heard and her team continue to think that everything revolves around them, that the Me Too movement is dependent on them when it obviously isn't. He proves that Amber was able to protect herself and even got a restraining order from her alleged abuser.
Amber Heard went to the police, got a restraining order, got a divorce, and nothing bad happened to her. She protected herself and was fine. It was only when she put up this self-serving article in the Washington Post right before her big movie was premiering that she got in trouble. That is not a normal circumstance.
She got to do this before the release of the op-ed. Me Too wasn't involved at all. How could it have a setback? In the words of Rich, Me Too didn't have a setback. It was lying and bad lawyering that got a setback.
The Me Too movement did not get a setback. Lying got a setback. Bad lawyering got a setback. The Me Too movement is fine.
The movement remains untouched. The rest of Team Heard are active on interviews and random shows. They're trying to paint the jury as bad people who made the wrong verdict in the trial. That's all we have for you right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next one.